Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel, 8181IT. My name is Savio, and in today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of the Sabrent 2.5-inch SATA hard drive USB 3.0 enclosure. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I have a 2.5-inch SSD solid state drive from Crucial, and it's a 1 terabyte. If you haven't seen the unboxing of that video, click the link below, or click the link here or here, wherever you want to, wherever I post the video, possibly over here, and you should be able to see that video of the unboxing of the Crucial 1 terabyte or 1000 gigabytes, as Crucial likes calling it, 2.5-inch solid state drive. Okay, so now that solid state drive, 2.5-inch, is going to go into this Sabrent 2.5-inch SSD, or Sabrent. This is compatible with a hard drive and a 2.5-inch solid state drive as well. So let's do the unboxing. As you can see, it's not even open, and I'm going to quickly get to it and just start with the unboxing. As I can see, it does come with a cable as well to connect it, and that is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back in. So it comes with this cable, as you can see in packaging, and of course it comes nicely wrapped in. So that's what the packaging looks like. Yeah, as you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to take this one off. And I'm also going to take this one off too. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I like it. And it comes with a little instruction manual. As you can see, it's kind of sticking, it's all stuck to each other. And that's the instruction manual inside it. Okay, so and that's what it looks like. Can't talk right now, but that's what it looks like. Okay. As you can see, the connectors are here, and it's gonna slide nicely into the 2.5-inch solid state drive, and of course you can connect it to this using this cable as well. So the device I was talking about, the review, is the Crucial solid state drive. It's a 1 terabyte, which I was talking about earlier. And now let's have this Crucial into this enclosure and see what it looks like. To open it, all you have to do is, you see this section over here, that goes to your right, and you just have to slide it out. So I'm going to be holding it here and then just pushing it lightly. Okay, so as soon as you press down where this connectors are, just press down a little in order to slide it. That's how you slide it and open it. Okay, it's gonna open all the way, and there you go. So now the solid state drive, this should match with this. Okay, and pretty self-explanatory. I mean, of course, I don't have to really mention all of this because, just viewing it, you just know as to how it's gonna fit. So what we're gonna do is just gonna slide it over here, like so. Just gonna put it over here. Just hold this over here, just make sure this emblem is facing outwards, and then just slide it in. And then all you gotta do is just click it, and there you go. Okay, it's clicked. You have that sound, that little pop. And of course you have the cables here. I like taking my time with connections like this. And there you go, that's done. Okay, so that's it. It's connected. All you have to do now is connect it to a computer using the 3.0 USB. And that's pretty much it. And that's the review of this Sabrent 2.5-inch solid state drive. And look how perfectly snug it fits. It looks beautiful after the installation. Of course, the USB cable that we just connected to it. And that's what it looks like. Nice and shiny. with this casing in, and yeah, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, right? That's what it is. It's gonna keep your solid state drive protected, and you know, it's dust free as well. It really fits snug, so there's no chance of any you know, maybe a little dust going in, but it's not going to damage this in any way, shape, or form. All right, so that was a review of my 2.5-inch Sabrent hard disk drive or SSD enclosure. If you found it useful, subscribe to the channel or like this video or share this video. This is 8181 IT. My name is Savio, and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.